Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share a handy Unity tool that I created called Curved Mesh Pro. The way it works is simple. You create a 2D shape, then extrude that shape along a curved path to generate a long mesh that follows your path reference. Let me guide you step by step on how to use this tool. First, create an empty game object and name it My Shape. Then attach the curvy profile shape script to it. Next, create several empty game objects and arrange them to form your shape reference. Once you're done arranging them, go back to My Shape and assign those objects as the reference points. Now, create another empty game object and name it Curve Mesh. Attach the Ciihuy Curved Mesh Pro script to this object. After that, create another set of empty game objects and arrange them as your curved path. Drag and drop the My Shape object into the profile shape slot. Then select all your path objects and assign them to the path point slot. And there you go. You can see your mesh generated instantly. Don't forget to add a nice material to make it look better. Simple, right? You can adjust the path points or the shape reference points anytime to change how the mesh looks. You can get this tool for free. The download link is in the video description. If you like this tool, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.